Wow.
They just squirt webs. Like spiders, pero iba. Na kinda invisible. Tingnan mo, kung tinakot ko siya muna. Oh! Oh! Hindi siya nagbangga. He use it on her, para hindi siya mamamatay. Oh, see that? See that?
Yep.
Oh,
What's that?
it's kind of like web. Like string. Or, sapot.
Sapot. Yun. Sapot. Parang sapot ng gagamba.
Pero iba parang dito.
Baka anak yan ng gagamba.
Most kind of animals, even katiwans, use those.
Anong katiwan?
You mean kati? Yung kati baga, yung naiitsi na kaya natutusok.
Higad.
Ha?
Higad.